Here I am in a lovely environment and it feels so peaceful here. And I wanted to tell you guys that I have found some solutions for a technical problem. Maybe you're facing it right now. So check the video, and if it helps you, if it really helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel. It will help me a lot. Bye! Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope that the solution or the solutions helped you right there. And if they did, please consider subscribing my channel. I would love it. Thank you. Bye.